Hi students, and welcome to this screencast all about adding citations to our writing. Luckily for us, Google Docs now has a feature where you can use a tool that's already embedded in Google Docs to add citations and a works cited into your paper. So I have this example paper here, and if we take a look at it, right? It's a nice synthesis essay on night. We've got a couple other sources, but there's no parenthetical citations and there's no work cited. So I'm going to show you how we can add that in. So the first thing you're going to go to is right here, Tools, and then down here it says Citations. Go ahead and click on that. It is going to ask you for a format. Since this is an English class, English and language arts classes always use MLA, so you're going to stick with MLA, and then you click Add Citation Source. So, since one of our sources for this was the book Night, we're going to keep this as book, accessed by print, because those students had a print copy. If you access this through a website or an online database, you can choose that, but for right now, we're just going to click print. It asks for author, right? Most of us read this last year, so we know that it is Elie Wiesel. The book is titled Night. Publisher was Hill and Wang, so we'll put that in. Publication year, the one that we used was 2006, and then you click Add Citation Source. So it will add it in right here. You can always edit it or delete it if it ends up being a source that you don't end up using. But let's say that we have a quote right here. We click Cite, and then it adds the citation for us. All we have to do is replace this little number sign with the page number. Keep in mind that that is only for books. So if we look at another source, the other source that we're going to be looking at is actually from this website. So we're going to include all the different information that it asks us to. So we'll click Add Citation Source, and this time it's not a book, it's a website. Now if we take a look at this website, we see that the authors are Tim Sullivan and Stephen Groves. So we will add them in here. We've got Tim Sullivan, and then since there's more than one, we want to add another author. And Stephen Groves. The title of it, I'm just going to copy and paste from the actual article. Paste. The website name is the Associated Press. We can see that that's where it comes from. So, Associated Press. And we just go down the list. We see here that there are little asterisks or stars where the information is needed, and then optional information does not have those little asterisks next to it. So we're going to get the URL, and then it asks for publish day. We can find that, right? May 31st, 2020. So 31 May 2020. Notice how we don't need the day or the month, but we do need the year. Then access day, access month, access year. Let's say we looked at it today. So 30 April 2021. And you click again, add citation source, and it's got the whole citation there. Now next to our quote, again, we'll click Cite, and then it gives us that parenthetical citation exactly how we want it. So once you have put in all of your sources and you have all of your parenthetical citations, you're going to make a new page, and then you'll click Insert Bibliography. Once you do that, it makes the whole works cited for you, and it's completely in MLA format. If you notice, it's all in alphabetical order. It has that hanging indentation, and it has everything already done for you. All right, hopefully this was helpful. It should be way easier now to add in your sources. Please let your teacher know if you have any questions, and have a great day.